Yeah, it is a Category 1 hurricane in California, so that's pretty nuts. Oh, whoa, big rock slide. Oh my fucking god. Oh, big giant puddles. Oh my god. Whoa. It's like I'm sea foaming my car. Oh my. I'm gonna let the intrusive thoughts win here. Alright guys, so here's the build. 2003 Acura RSX Type S. I've got the Craftworks C30 kit, C3094. Oh, this is new. Okay, we'll deal with that later. There's a Mishimoto intercooler, custom intercooler loop that I built for the car. On work, S1Rs, 17 by 9.5 plus 0. Right now I'm on kind of skinny tires, 235/40. They're NT05, 200 wear. So pretty bad in the rain. Anointed Arrow wide body kit. Starting to get really wet here. Custom 3-inch exhaust that I also built. Vibrant resonator, vibrant muffler. Interior, we got the NRG buckets, gutted rear. Nice little Jack Spania Racing shifter. Currently I'm on 1050X injectors, full E85 with a flex fuel kit. I put in a competition stage 4 clutch as well as a limited slip. I cannot remember if my limited slip is Quaife or M Factory. I literally don't remember, but it has a limited slip. Yeah, Willwood brake, big brake kit in the front. Yeah, there's a lot of other goodies that I'm probably forgetting, but that's the basic rundown on the car. I'm gonna get back inside because I'm so wet. Let's see how it does in the rain. Also guys, I did forget to mention, but the car is putting down about 300 and anywhere from 320 to like 350 wheel horsepower. With the supercharger kit, it's pushing, depends on the weather, 8 to 10 pounds. So, I mean, lots of spinning. When the car isn't choking on water. Alright, this is crazy. See out of my car. Oh, that's a massive puddle. Is it better to have the heat on for the front windshield or what? I don't understand how that works. Well, hopefully my front splitter is fine with all this water. Oh, I guess the heat is better. I'll leave that. Can't get too hot in here. My car is not made for this, and I'm currently on some pretty sticky summer tires that are questionably used. Oh, that's a big puddle. Because of my wide offset wheels, anytime there's any kind of puddle like this one right here, it just pulls the car. So I have to keep two hands on at all times. Oh, here's a river. There we go, just drove through a river. I just switched out the factory sway bars on this car. I went with a 05 Type S front and a Progress 24mm rear sway. And this car is way more balanced now, way less body roll, no more understeer. We're coming up on the river crossing right now. I don't know what it's gonna look like or if I can get past it even. Oh, here's a small lake. Try not to hydro lock my car. All right, coming up on this river crossing. Let's see how it looks. How does she look today? Surprisingly, besides the road falling off, surprisingly there's nothing. That is actually incredible. I thought for sure. Some wheel spin. These tires are not great in the wet. Oh, grip is there though. Big rock slides. We got a little Lexus in front of us, just meandering through. Oh yeah, big rock slide. Let's try to avoid these going directly underneath the car. I do not have the clearance. My front splitter will just get demolished. It looks like he's going to do about 3 miles an hour the entire way, so we're gonna wait for him to actually do his thing. While we wait, I'm going to talk about the hurricane. I am in Southern California, and this is the only hurricane I've ever seen in my life. And I think it's been like 80 years since the last one. So yeah, it is a Category 1 hurricane in California. So that's pretty nuts. And the ground where I park my cars is pretty much underwater. So I was pretty scared my car was going to get flooded this morning. All right, let's continue now. If I go too fast around one of these corners, there could just be a rock slide that could just totally take out my front end or a tire. Another big rock slide. This is nuts. I have a feeling though, if I lift off, yep, back end does want to step out just a bit. I love this corner because of the crazy camber that it has. Oh yeah. Those sway bars have made a world of a difference with this car. And the gate to the abandoned radar center is closed as usual. Yep, that is what happens when I go over a rock. Okay, I think this got bigger. I'm pretty sure there's more rocks on the ground now. Get past these. Wow, that is, I'm pretty sure that is definitely increased in size. Hopefully no rocks just absolutely annihilate my car as I'm driving. I hope none fall on me. Constantly having to avoid the rocks. It has really started to rain here. Lots of water on the ground. Taking in a little bit of water there. Oh, whoa, big rock slide. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn around here. Oh my fucking god. Whoa, okay. That is literally coming down in front of me. That guy is trapped. Okay, that was fucking scary. Let's get out of here. Oh, yeah, that's just a small rock too. Okay, river is a little bit more flooded. If we hang around much longer, that might just turn into like an absolute ocean. Oh, big giant puddles. Oh my god. Massive puddle. mudslide. Lots of rocks in the road. Oh my god, those are huge. Okay. Alright. Massive, wow, massive pothole. Oh my god, another one. I almost just hit that. Another big thing of rocks. That was kind of dumb. That was a blind corner. Just have to play evade the rocks. Holy, yeah. Getting pushed all over the road. Oh, we have to do some off-roading here. All right. Okay, nice. That was a little scary. Started taking in a good amount of water. It's like I'm sea foaming my car. That's all that I'm doing. Nothing could go wrong. I totally couldn't just ruin my engine right now. It's like when you dive in a pool and all the water just rushes up your nose straight into your lungs. What it's really doing is it's just clearing out your insides. Sometimes you just need a little detox, and that's the same thing that my car is doing right now. Oh my god. Okay, that was sketchy. Oh my god. Yikes, this is scary. Oh, do I take the freeway? Alright, let's do it. It's on-ramp here. Okay, can't go more than about 40 miles an hour, noted. That was just constant hydroplaning. I mean, I was literally, like, the wheel was just pointed completely sideways. Wow, my car just does not want to go straight. Nice A-Spec. Integra. I didn't even know they made those. Or is that an ILX? I don't know, they all look the same these days. High horsepower front wheel drive in the rain is not a good combination. All right. That was something. Oh, this guy, no turn signal, nice. I think he forgot that he doesn't have an arrow, but that's fine. Just assert dominance through the intersection, and that's how the right-of-way works. I think that was on my driver's test when I took it. I'm gonna let the intrusive thoughts win here.